Here we are today at the lovely 12,000 Palmer Road Southwest here in Etna, Ohio, just 17 miles from downtown Columbus. But you're out here in the beautiful country with cornfields across the street, woods in the back of the yard, just 5 acres of beauty. You know what? Before we go in the house, let's take a look at the backyard because it has a lot of amazing things. Well, here we are in the middle of this beautiful 5 acres. There's so much going on back here. We have a garden, we have a greenhouse, we have the chicken coop, which has chickens and roosters in it. Unfortunately, they won't be staying with the property, but you know what? You can get your own and put them in that chicken coop. And right over here is the pole barn, which we'll see in a moment. Hey, here we are at the giant pole barn. To my right is her quilting shop, and to my left is his workspace. It's an awesome place. Wait till you see it inside. All right, now let's go inside and take a look at this lovely home. As we walk in, take note of this nice patio and its peace and quiet. Come on. Well, hello, here we are in this lovely farmhouse. This beautiful great room with its commercial kitchen over here to my right, where we have brand new countertops and cabinetry, nice stainless steel sink. We have commercial oven and stove, 10 burners, double ovens, commercial exhaust. It's awesome. It's a dream kitchen. And we have this commercial side-by-side refrigerator, extra large. It's amazing how much stuff is in here that is just gonna knock you out. Here we are in the family room with a lovely view of the backyard and patio. Here we have this fireplace. Now this is a special fireplace. It's a wood burner, but it also has a fan that heats the entire house if you choose to use this. It's an awesome, cozy, and comfortable family room. Let's go take a look at the dining room now. This house boasts over 1,900 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a finished basement. How could you pass this up? It's a beautiful house. You have to come and see it. Well, thanks for coming by to 12,000 Palmer Road Southwest. I'm Jeff Kanowsky. Call, text, or email me for further information or a private tour. I look forward to hearing from you.